Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today we're going to show you how to clean the grease baked on food and other greasy items that are stuck onto grill grates using Dawn Platinum Power Wash. So you can get this in a link in the description below, or check out your local Walmart or Menards or store should have it. So to get started, all you need to do is spray this on the grate. Unfortunately, you can't just hold it down, but it does come out nicely. You can see as it's like a spray bottle. So it's going to take a little time, but coat this really well and then allow it to sit for about 15 minutes. For some stains you can just spray and then wipe it off, but for these heavy stains we're going to let it sit for anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. We're going to go for 15 minutes and then we'll come back and see how it looks. So we're going to coat this really well. All right, you can see it's already starting to work right here. Get it a little more. Okay, so there we go. Now we're going to come back, see what it looks like in 15 minutes. Okay, here we are. It has been 15 minutes and we are checking out the grate after the Dawn Power Wash. So you can see it looks pretty clean already. We're going to get it hosed off now and see how it looks. Okay, so here this part is hosed off. It looks pretty clean, a lot cleaner. You can see a lot of the gunk coming off in the water. Down here hasn't. You can still see there is a lot of junk on there, so let's get this sprayed. All right, overall, I would say that the Dawn Power Wash is pretty effective, but it seems that it needs a little extra help. You might need a scouring pad or cloth to really get that fully cleaned. If you need to get some Dawn Power Wash, check out a link in the description below. Otherwise, go to your local store and it should be there. Any questions or comments, please put them below. In addition, I hope you hit the like button and the bell icon on this video to stay tuned to future videos. Thank you.